Good evening, Daddy. Good evening. Daddy, what's the matter? Shall I go to movie tomorrow with my friends, Daddy?
No, I will want to send with your friends.
Please, Daddy. Please, Daddy. My friends told it's a good message movie regarding technology of science, Daddy.
Will you go with your friends only?
Yes, Daddy. Please, Daddy.
Okay, I will send with your friends only.
Thank you, Daddy. I can't believe this. You said to send me to movie with my friends, Daddy.
I know I will say it is right to get freedom from parents to send with your friends.
What is the right to freedom, Daddy?
You don't know about right to freedom? Don't worry. I will explain right to freedom. Right to freedom is one of the fundamental rights. It is enshrined in Indian Constitution. Right to freedom gives citizens basic respect and expression. From freedom of association, freedom of personal liberty, freedom to live a life with dignity. There are related articles 19, 20, 21, A and 22 of the Indian Constitution.
Hi Monica. Hi Susanna. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? I am feeling bored, Pujita. Why are you feeling bored? Haven't you enjoyed watching television? Yes, I have. But I have. Hey, why are you talking loudly? Are we talking loudly?
Yes, you're talking loudly.
We are not disturbing others. We have the right to freedom of expression and speech. Do you know the right to freedom of speech and expression?
Yes, I know that. According to the 19th article in first class, freedom of speech and expressions. Article 19th of the Constitution provides freedom of speech, which is right to express one's opinion freely without any fear through oral, electronic, broadcasting, press. Freedom of expressions, English freedom of press. All citizens shall have rights. Freedom of speech and expressions, freedom to assemble, freedom to form association, unions, cooperative societies, freedom to move freely, freedom of residence, freedom of profession.
Okay then, sorry.
Hey, who are you? What is your name? Whom? Category of belonging? Is this place allotted for you to construct the building?
Who are you asking all this?
I am one of the neighbor.
Yes, this place is belonging to me and I have gotten the right recently to register on my name.
Do you know this layout allotted only for one category of people?
Who said that this place is only one category of people? Don't you know the right to freedom of residence? Citizens of India have the right to reside in any part of the country. All the restrictions can be imposed on the grounds of security for public order or for protecting the initial variations, including the freedom of profession. All the citizens have right to carry on any trade of profession, occupation, provided the trade occupation is not illegal or immoral.
Namaste, madam. Excuse me, madam. Namaste, madam.
Namaste, why did you come?
Madam, may I get a help from you, madam?
What help you may get from my side?
Madam, may I get a financial help from you for my child treatment, madam?
What is your child suffering from?
Madam, doctor suggested that the treatment offered more expensive, madam. I am unaffordable, madam, for the treatment to get my children, madam.
I will help you financially for your child treatment but on condition.
What's the condition, madam?
Unless you pay amount back, you will be assigned to respect of household conviction.
Mom, what are you talking about? Unless you pay me the amount back, will you assign her a household conviction? Do you know the right to the respect of conviction for offended? Article 20. Article 20 deals with the protection of citizens in respect of conviction for offences. This provides three types of protection of the individual against the state regarding retrospective criminal legislation, double jeopardy, and prohibition against self-discrimination. Regarding retrospective criminal legislation, this is also known as exposed factor criminal legislation. Under this, a person cannot be convicted for an act that was happened at a time when the act had not been declared by the law as an offence. This means that criminal legislation cannot be given the retrospective effect. The law also provides that a person cannot be convicted for the subject subject to the punishment greater than what is prescribed by the law for offences.
Hey, who are you? What are you doing here? We are working here. What? Are you working as a labor here? Why don't you go to school? Our parents are unaffordable to get us education. Don't your parents know our government is providing us free education? Okay, let me take to your parents. I will explain the importance of education to them. Ma, she is a teacher. She would like to teach.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
What matters?
Why are you sending your children to as a child labor? Why don't you send them to school?
We are uneducated. We are so poor.
Do you know our government is providing us a free education, and moreover that stated free and compulsory education to all the children between the ages of 6 and 14 years according to the Article 21A. According to the Article 21A, this article was introduced in 2002 with the 86th Amendment to the Constitution. It stipulates that all states must and should offer free and compulsory education to all the children between the ages of 6 and 14 years. So send your children as a child labor. Please encourage them to go sending them to school.
Okay, madam.
According to Article 22, Article 22 deals with the protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. This article is applicable to both citizens and non-citizens. This provision extends certain individuals for safeguards in case of an arrest. It comes into the picture after a person has been arrested. It is not a fundamental right against arrest and detention. The idea behind this, it is prevented arbitrary arrest and detention.
Article provide the following safeguard. Article 22 class 1. Any person who is in custody has to be informed as to why he has been arrested. Further, he cannot be denied the right to consult an advocate. Article 22 class 2. The arrested individual should be produced before a judicial magistrate within 24 hours. Article 22 class 3. No individual who has been arrested can be kept in custody for more than the period judicial magistrate. These safeguards are, however, not applicable to enemy arrests, people arrested under preventive detention laws.
The right to freedom. The right to freedom is crucial because it is a human right. Indian national struggle against colonialism is a struggle for freedom. Right to freedom means to accept, to respect of freedom. Choose how to live according to law, to accept job or business, to speak up, to advance, to live any part of country. Finally, I will